Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel, Excel Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yakub right here. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And in this video guys, I'm going to teach you guys how to do batch payment to different supplier on Pinduoduo. What do I mean by batch payment on Pinduoduo is a situation whereby you are buying from different supplier and you want to pay them once and for all. Instead of paying them one after the other, you assemble all the supplier in a single batch and make payment with your Alipay. So if that is what you are looking for, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can do that on this video. Okay, but before I get to the tutorial started, if you are very new to this channel, like you guys know me, I'm a graphic designer and I'm also an importer and importation coach. Okay, if that is what you are interested to join my importation training, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the number on the screen right here. If you want me to procure your link on 1688 Taobao or on Pinduoduo or iDoFusion, you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you can also connect with me via the same number on the screen of this video for any importation from China or some other country related business. You can connect with me on WhatsApp if you are interested to join any of my paid training or you need my procurement service. Okay, so without wasting much of our time, so let's see how you can pay multiple supplier on Pinduoduo without any stress. So follow me as I show you the steps to take and in a practical video. So right here, this is my Pinduoduo app, as you can see right here. Okay, so I'm going to pay a multiple supplier. Okay, so what I'm going to do right here is that I have to go to my cart. Okay, so right here you can see I have a supplier A, supplier B, supplier C, and if I scroll down and you see a supplier D and a supplier E and supplier F and H, etc. So for me to pay all the supplier at once, what you need to do first is that you just tap on this circle here. This simply means that you select the supplier. So I'm going to select on this supplier right here. I'm going to select this supplier also, and I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to select this supplier also. Now we have about 3 supplier. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down and select this supplier also. So right now I have about 4 different supplier that I'm paying right away. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now when you are selecting the supplier you are make payment for, so the next step you have to take is to click on here. You click here. So at this point here, this is where you see all the products you have added. So right here, this one is just 1, while this one too is 1. Okay, and down below here, I'm buying 1 from this supplier also. Then down below here, I'm buying 3 from this supplier also. So I'm paying them all the sum of 468.6 RMB. Okay, that's what I'm the total amount I'm paying all these 4 supplier. You can see them right here, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so finally I have to click on here now to pay the sum of 468.6 RMB to all these 4 supplier. So I'm clicking on here right now. What you have to do is to click on here to pay. So you can see now they have debited me with the sum of the amount. So for you to be sure that your payment was done successfully, you can go to your profile, click on back to your profile and see. All right, so at this point here, you need to choose your means of payment. So you have to click here. So I think I have fund in my Alipay. So I'm using this particular one right here. So I'm using my Alipay balance. Okay, so they are going to debit me the sum of 400 and this stuff. Then finally you click on pay now. Okay, then you'll be asked to enter your payment password. So I'm entering my payment password straight up. So you can see now that the payment was just made successfully. Okay, so just click on done. So you can see, just click on done. Click on done. So you can now go back to your profile and see the one we just made payment for. So by the time I refresh my profile now, so all the products we just paid for will be moved straight up. So if I click on here right now, I click on here, so you'll be able to see all the one we just paid for. So you can see them right here that the product is already on a shipment process. So these are the 4 we just paid for at once. So we pay for this supplier, we pay for this supplier, and we paid for this, and we pay for this. Okay. So guys, this is how you pay for multiple supplier on Pinduoduo without any stress. All you have to do is to make sure you watch this video from the beginning to the end and see how you get it done instead of paying them one after the other. So I hope you guys find value for this video. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a big thumb up, and if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, kindly hit on the subscribe, click on the notification bell, so whenever I upload content about China importation using Pinduoduo, you get notified and you watch the video. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my paid training, you want me to coach you on how you too can be a successful procurement agent, or you want to learn how you can procure without using agents so you save more money when you are doing your procurement and shipping from China, you can connect with me on WhatsApp if you are interested to join my paid training. And also, if you want me to pay your Chinese supplier, you want me to procure your link on 1688 or on Pinduoduo or any Chinese e-commerce platform, you can connect with me on WhatsApp via the same phone number on the screen of this video. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.